Hey everyone, my name is Sean Simons.
I'm Brian.
Hey, today we are going to be changing out a rear windshield wiper on a Toyota Prius. Now, look at this right here. This has obviously been worn down. There's like no blade whatsoever. So for less than 10 bucks, we went to Walmart and got the Rain-X Expert Fit for the rear. This is really easy to do. Matter of fact, Brian can do it. You want to do it, Brian?
Sure.
All right, all we're going to do is pull up the bottom half like this, and it's going to pop up this side right here on both sides. Yeah, like that. See how they just pull off on both sides, then lift it up? Sort of should go up like this.
Nothing on a car ever does what it should do.
So you pop off both these right here and it just lifts up. Help me. I'm trying to do this with one hand. There we go. So look at that. That is just so grimy. This has never been done. All right, so this should just lift up like that. Now we have access to the entire thing. So we're going to tilt it like this. Boop. And we're going to pull it straight up and then out. So go ahead and try that. Tilt it, pull it up, hard. You're not going to break it.
It ain't going for me. I don't know.
Like that, and it comes off. Easy peasy, but I'm sweating.
There you go.
All right, so what we're going to do is take this. You see the old one, the new one. So we know how it goes in. All right, so now we're just going to see where that is. We're just going to do the same thing. Put it back in there. Goes forward. That's it. That is it. And all we're going to do is put this thing back on. Just clips in here. Watch this. This just goes in here like this. This will clip on, but it's broken. But that's why we have so much difficulty with it. And there we go. This is the old one. You can see that the blade is absolutely, I mean, there is no blade. It wore off completely. And here's the new one. You can see the difference. I mean, unbelievable. I just got this, you know. The blades are just completely worthless, which is why we're doing it. And of course, you know, if you ever get yourself a used vehicle, some of the things that you need to do: replace the windshield wipers front and rear, replace the oil, of course, and then check everything else, all your fluids. It's just basic knowledge, because that's just crap. It's like turning it like this. I should be able to either lift it up or pop it back, and I can't tell. I don't. Oh, there's a clip. There we go. Slide it back like that, and it just comes off. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put this other one on, the C26. So here we have the windshield wiper. You see there's a tab on the bottom there? Can you see that, Brian?
Mm-hmm.
See that tab? That needs to be facing towards the windshield as you are placing this on here. Like so, and then I'm just going to push this forward, and it should click itself into place. There we go. And then we lift it up, and there we go. Nice and solid. It's not popping backwards. One is done. And let's go ahead and look at the blades real quick, Brian. These blades look like they're pretty good, but they are really solid. We look at the new ones here, and the rubber moves back and forth very nicely. So this was good. However, replacing them is definitely the way to go. Same thing. So we have this little tab right here, and that little tab is what clicks inside here that keeps the windshield wiper blade from actually popping out. So when I push back, see how this easily slid out? There should be a clip there, but I don't see it. I'm going to throw that one off to the side. This is the brand new one, and see there's a hole right here, Brian. See this hole on the bottom of that hook? Can you see that? Mm-hmm. Now this will click inside that hole, so you want to make it to where this will fit into there. So we just need to put this in here. Make sure that bottom part is right here. See that? Because that's going to click in the hole. And then just pull it forward until it clicks. And there we go. The blade is in there. It's solid. And it didn't take but what? couple minutes, and we have brand new blades. Thank you again for watching. Toyota Prius. This is 2004. I believe that from a 2000. I'm sorry. This is 2005. I believe from 2004 until 2009 has the same style, so this should work for you. If you have any questions, leave me some comments down below. Have a great day. Today we are going to Rain-X my windshield by using Rain-X, the original. I have some water right here. This is a lint-free cloth, which is really important when you're doing something like this. What to do is we're going to pour this across here and see how it starts draining down. This is what they recommend. As it's draining down like this or pouring down, what you're going to do, you're going to start to, in circles, wax on, yeah, I like that, wax on and wax off.
So we're going to really rub this in, and as you're doing this, you can tell, I can tell that even though this is a clean windshield, there's a lot of dirt that's coming off. And you'll notice the same thing, it's just really amazing how much dirt can accumulate on a windshield. So we're rubbing this in. This will be all right.
Ready? And now we're going to do the same thing on this side. It's so easy when you have a small windshield like a Prius. I just traded in my Nissan Armada, which I couldn't even reach all the way across. Rain-X recommends using a water bottle to finish this off now by spraying water on this and doing the same thing, rubbing this off with that spray water. And wow, look how clean that windshield is now. Absolutely amazing. We closed that garage door because we had too much backlight, but man, this is like wax now. When we spray it, look how the water just pours off.
Wow.